Hi guys. Okay, I figured this was a nice change of scenery. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you guys like it when I change up the scenery like this, or do you like the normal place we film? Right now we're in front of all my makeup, but today we are going to be unboxing the Walmart Beauty Box. If you're unfamiliar, the Walmart Beauty Box is $5, and that is only for the shipping. You don't technically pay for the box, you just pay for the shipping. It's $5 and you get it 4 times a year. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the fall box. Now, it does come wrapped in an outer plastic. However, that outer plastic does have like the address and stuff on it. So I did take that off. But this is what it looks like. And let's just open it right up. Looks like this. And it says Fall Faves. Rate and review this season's products at walmart.com/tp/shopbeautybox. And then it says, enter to win a gift card. Just a little card. And then we have a really cute mauve-y purple tissue paper. And you open it up, and this is what it looks like. Let's just grab the first thing. And it is a perfume. Okay, this is the Lost in Paradise Sofia Vergara perfume. Cute packaging. I love the packaging. I don't think we've ever gotten a perfume sample in Walmart Beauty Box, but that's what it would look like if you were to buy the full size. And it says, feel lost in paradise with the exotic blend, a crisp Nashi pear, tropical gardenia, and sensual golden woods. Okay, I'm not normally the biggest perfume person, so it's not a spray bottle. It's just one of the ones you like take the tap off and like dumps them on your wrist. But I'm not a big perfume person. As you can see, I have perfume right here and over here. I don't wear it very often anymore. I'm trying to go through what I have and then decide what I want to buy from there. I'm not going to open this because it's not something I need to use right now. But not bad. And then let's pull out the next thing, which is, we have a few cards in here. Let's pull those up first. Okay. So one of the cards is from Earth to Skin, which is not a brand I've ever heard of. It says Tea Time, Anti-Aging, Firming, Pore Refining, Honey, Oh, okay, so Tea Time, it says it's good for anti-aging, firming, and pore refining. And then Honey is good for moisturizing, soothing, and it's antibacterial. Superfruits are good for brightening, dark spot correcting, and antioxidants. And Super Greens are vitamin-rich, nourishing, and revitalizing. Okay, cute. I will definitely check this brand out. I don't think I've never heard of this brand. It must be new, but it says real ingredients, really clean formulas. Clean up your skin with Earth to Skin. Uncompromising and safe. Our formulas are made with carefully selected, powerful ingredients from the earth, packed with nutrients, vitamins, and antioxidants for skin. Clean means there are no parabens, phthalates, petroleum, mineral oil, sulfates, gluten, or animal testing in our formula. It says Tea Time, Honey, Superfruits, Super Greens, masks, cleansers, toners, serums, creams. 4 collections that are brimming and bursting with benefits, from brightening to tightening and soothing to smoothing. Good to skin, Earth to Skin. Indulge for under $10 each. Okay, I will definitely have to check this out. I've never heard of that brand. It must be new at Walmart. I don't really go to Walmart very often, but we'll definitely have to check that out. And this is from NYX. It's the NYX Professional, and it's for the lip lingeries, and it says, find your perfect nude. Lingerie doesn't have to be uncomfortable. Slip into fan fave lip lingerie for a matte nude finish. Available in 20 irresistibly creamy shades for all skin tones. Love it. You'll be obsessed with our new lip lingerie push-up. Long-lasting lippy. Our first push-up plumping lippy with built-in sharpener. Available in 12 saturated matte nudes. Now on walmart.com. Okay, I have tried a shade from this before. I don't know if I still have it, but I have tried a shade from this before, and I do know what shade it is, and it was really pretty. They're all nudes, which I love, and they do have a lot of different ones for a lot of different skin tones, and they can get pretty close to your skin tone. It's crazy. And then we have this thing by Nivea, and this is the Nivea Coconut and Moni Oil body lotion. Indulge your skin and senses. Nivea body lotion is really nice. I usually don't go for scented just because my skin is so sensitive, but that is nice. And it says indulgent fragrances, fast absorbing, enriched with nourishing oils. And it's a new one because it's got a few new scents on there. Okay, I think these are oil infused, which is not what they normally have. I could be mistaken, but let's pull out the next thing, which is by Neutrogena. This is the dermatologist recommended brand. Blackhead Eliminating Strip to Scrub. An innovative new strip that transforms with water into a scrub. What? Says it's got a salicylic acid acne treatment, and there's only one strip in here, but it says wash face with dry hands, apply gel strip to damp nose. Wait 1 to 2 minutes. Wet the strip to transform into scrub. Gently massage to exfoliate. So it's like an exfoliating blackhead strip. Okay, I will definitely give that a try. I love pore strips. They always get all the good gunk out, so I will not be mad at that. Let's pull up the next thing, which is, okay, this is a mask, and it's by the Earth to Skin brand, and it's the Superfruit Prickly Pear Sheet Mask. Brightening, radiance boosting. Looks like this, and it says, Superfruits are packed with rejuvenating vitamins that help to boost skin's natural radiance. This refreshing prickly pear sheet mask is infused with prickly pear extract to hydrate and, oh gosh, niacinamide that helps reduce the look of dark spots for brighter, more radiant skin. Okay, I'm happy we got this because I definitely do want to try this brand out, and I want to look more into it because if it's super affordable, that would be a good brand to try. And next we have the Lip Lingerie, which is a different shade than the one I've tried, but this one is in number 16 Cheekies, and I think the one I had before was number 12, but it was, number 12, but it was like lace something. But it's a really, really pretty nude. Let's open this. Oh, that scared me. I ripped the plastic and I thought I broke the cap. Ooh, a very pretty like peachy nude. Not necessarily one I would go towards, but it's a really, really pretty shade. I prefer like mauve nudes, but I don't think I have anything like this. I'm not mad at it though. A full-size lippy in a $5 box. Not mad at it. And last but not least, we have a Chic Intuition Fab razor. 5 bi-directional blades. And it just looks like this, and this is the one where you can buy like the new heads for it, so you keep like the base. And it says it's fab. Safely shave forward and back. Okay, without lifting the razor from your skin. I just now realized that the fab standard for forward and back. Didn't know that. You learned something new. It says top blades shave up, bottom blades shave down. And then it just shows you the other products you can buy and the new heads you can buy. And this razor probably retails for about $7, $8, sometimes $9 depending where you get it from. But in a $5 box, we got a razor, a face mask, and a lippy. These and a pore strip. These 4 items right here made this box for me. And then you also did get a few samples. We got a lotion sample and a perfume sample. I like this box. I continue to get it because you do get a few things that do make the box for me. And it's only $5 and you only get it 4 times a year. For me, that's not bad. Like, you can't beat that. But that is all. Let me know what you guys think down below. Is this a box you guys would be interested in getting? If so, I will have a link at the very top of the description box down below. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to check out my other videos. We currently have a giveaway going on. It is going on until November 22nd. I will have the link to the video in the description box down below. Definitely check that out. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.